welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mala. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. You guys can see by the title, I am so excited, you guys. I've been waiting for this for like a week and it's finally here. I'm so happy, you guys. I've been wanting a MacBook for the longest time. Every time I graduated in high school in 2015 and we weren't allowed our MacBook, so ever since then I've been craving for one, and I finally was able to purchase it, and now my editing skill is gonna be on point, and I wanted to open it with you guys to show it to you guys how it looks like. I got the new MacBook. Alright, let's open this up. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's nothing else in the box. It says MacBook, you guys. It's literally bigger than my face, bigger than my body. And I got it in the color gold. They didn't have rose gold. I'm really happy right now. Oh, let's see. Let's open. This is the box is open, you guys. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. So this is the MacBook. Like I said, it's the 2020 MacBook Air. It comes with the instruction. Let me soak in with some stickers. I would definitely use this if I get a case for it. And they also come with a charger and the USB, and that's all that comes in this box. Let me fix it because hopefully it's charged, you guys, because I've been waiting for this for a minute. I don't want it to not be charged. This is how it looks like, you guys. It came with a plastic on top of it, so let's remove the plastic. It's turning on. Ooh, it's bigger than I imagined. I love this. I think this is like the 13-inch. Okay, so now I'm gonna set it up, you guys, and I'll be right back because I don't want to mess this up. So I'm gonna set it up and I'll be right back when it's on and stuff. It's talking to me. Let me move you guys closer so you guys. It's basically asking me for the language right now, and I just clicked next. So let's see if I can set this up by myself. I hope I don't mess it up, you guys. Let me put it this way. In just a few steps, you can register and set up your MacBook. United States of America. Wi-Fi. This is my Wi-Fi. I actually don't know my Wi-Fi password. Let me. Hey Siri. Oh, guys, it has the Touch ID, so I'm setting up the Touch ID right now. I feel so fancy. So I don't have to put the password. I actually don't even remember what the password was. So this is the laptop, you guys. Right now, it doesn't say how much percentage it has. Show percentage. It has 81%, and this is how the screen looks like. But I like to customize my stuff, all my iPod stuff, or customize my lock screen. Everything is customized, so I want to customize this. So we're gonna go to this app called Unsplash. I'll leave the link down below. So I'm gonna go look for all my favorite designs, download them to the computer so I can make a collage. Like, you can look up anything. Like I like pink, so pink backgrounds. Like, you see there, they have like so many cute pictures, and I think you just save it. Oh, I like this side. Oh, okay, I'll just grab them, put them outside, you guys, in my desktop, and then I'll make the collage. You guys will see how I'm gonna make it. So I'm just gonna fast forward to this part, and then when I'm doing it, I'll show it to you guys. Screen size, and it's saying it's 1440 times 900. So I'm just gonna copy this. So when you get there, you're gonna click on create a design, custom dimension, and we're gonna put the one that we just copied. Okay, so this is 900. Okay, and create new design. I'm gonna leave it green, so I'm just gonna import everything that's on my screen to here. What's that mean? So you guys, this is how my thing is coming out. So now I'm just gonna save it in the back. So you guys, I saved my, all you have to do, excuse my picture, but you go in this little thing right here, system preference, and then you go to, you search wallpaper, it will bring you to desktop pictures, and then you go under photos, you should find your thing here, and let's close everything so we can see. Ooh, I love pink, so I did everything that I love. And then now we're gonna go into Launchpad because I want sticky notes. We're gonna search sticky notes. If you want to change the color of your thing, you just go in color. I like it, I want it to be pink, and I'm just gonna put to-do list. This is how the screen is looking like. I did my to-do list, and the background is so cute, you guys. And now I don't want, you have to do is go under and click on the bar and turn hiding on. So when you want to see it, you just scroll down and it will appear. But this is my screen, you guys. I really love it. Everything about it is literally so cute. So that's how it's looking like, you guys. It's really cute. I love it so much. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and everything from now on will be edited on this MacBook Air. So thumbs up this video, come back tomorrow for more, and let me know if you guys have the MacBook, if you're thinking about purchasing it, and all that jazz. And if you guys want me to do a different lock screen thing, you can also let me know. I'll definitely do it for you guys too. So yeah, thank you so much for watching us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.